Have you tried recording audio for a video and you think it sucks and you're blaming your microphone for that? Well, let me tell you how you can increase the quality of your audio using any microphone with some effects from Audacity. So here we are in Audacity and I have an audio file that I just recorded specifically for this video. So the first thing you want to do for this is highlight the whole thing, or you could just double click, that works too, and then go to Effects followed by Compressor. This works for me, but it might not work for you. So test some of these out to make sure it's good. And once you do that, your video is compressed and now it's going to be much louder compared to how it was before, so you can hear it a lot easier. Now, as you're seeing over here, we have a bit of a peaking issue. So how do we fix this? Well, what we do is select this area, go to Effects, then we go all the way down here, Limiter. And then you have different limiters you can work from. You have a soft, hard, you have soft clip and hard clip. I tend to use hard limiter. These are my general settings. Again, choose what works for you. And now it's not peaking as hard. Now, as you see in between here, we have some background noise, and we definitely want to get rid of that. So what we do, we select this, we go to Effects, then we go to Noise Reduction. You get a noise profile first so it knows what to look from, and then you have to repeat this step, except now you have to optimize your settings and then click OK. And now all that noise is gone and now you have silence. And then if you want to do it for the rest of it, just repeat the process and your audio now has little to no background noise. And if you have multiple tracks or multiple audio segments that are separate, then you want to do this separately for each one because the background noise might be at different qualities for each one. Alright, now that our file is looking a bit cleaner, we want to get rid of some of these moments of dead air. So what we want to do here, highlight this, and then we want to go to Trounce Silence. This is a great feature. There's also an alternative where you can just select what you want and then you can delete it, but on long files this takes way too much time. So highlight and Trounce Silence. Now here's the trick. This is how long it's going to look for, and this is how short it's going to make it. I have mine at 0.1 seconds, as short as I can get it, and it's going to look for 0.2 seconds, but I want to look for longer. So generally what I do is I like to add 0 for 20 seconds. Now I don't know how long my silence on this actually is, so I just go for 20, that way to compensate for the whole thing. And then after that, make sure everything's all good, click OK, and right there all your silence is gone. Now you have no silence, no dead air, no clipping, and everything looks clean, everything is compressed, so it's easier to hear. And now you can use this on your video, and you can do this on any audio file using any mic. So I'm going to show you another trick. If you have a piece of your audio that's too loud or too low, what you can do here is select that part of the audio and then go to Amplify. And on Amplify, you can increase or lower it, and it will change it accordingly. And that, my friends, is how to make any audio sound good, regardless of what mic you're using, regardless of how your recording room is. This will help you in all those ways and so much more. Now, if you're curious about how to make your room better for recording audio, I have a video coming up, so subscribe, like, so you can be notified whenever I make that video, because I promise you it'll be very helpful to you in the long run, especially if you're trying to select a good room to record in so you know what to look for.